Hello there, it's me, Engineer Esther Ahu. So today I want to teach you something. Before going and buy a building, I want something you need to consider. You need to consider if a house is made of precast or stone wall house, and there is also concrete wall house. So all those house depends on their places and how the outcome you will not know. So ikipakwa rangi utajua kama hiyo ni ya stone wall house ama hiyo ni ya precast ama ni ya concrete, but some of it utajua mostly ya concrete. So precast zinakaanga hivi, unaona, these are sketch of precast. Hii ni skeleton tu ya precast but bado haijatengenezwa, but at least I want to give you idea. So precast zikinunuliwa zinakuanga hivi na kuna watu wanatengenezanga precast. So if you want precast, DM me, I will tell you. So hizo precast zinakaanga hivi, precast blocks, you can see them. So acha niwapeleke like through vile zinakuanga. So guys, so ukienda kununua, consider it like, no, usidanganye useme ati yo nilidanganywa kumbe. No, precast, what is a precast? Precast is it's a structure made of concrete works, okay? So hii haijatengenezwa na a stone wall, okay? Imetengenezwa na kokoto na simiti and some small reinforcement zimewekwa. So guys, ukienda kununua, so nitaonyesha nyumba moja iko na precast. I will tell me the difference between a stone wall house and a precast house. Utaniambia kwa comment section. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And then you have to share. So nita attach a video at the end of this video uone the result of the precast house versus a stone wall. Bye.